Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Today we're going to share 10 easy and effective home workout routines for beginners who are looking to burn fat and get in shape. Are you ready to feel amazing and confident in your own skin? Because we're about to embark on a journey together, right here in your living room, no fancy equipment needed. No more excuses about gym memberships or feeling intimidated by complicated machines. We're keeping it simple, fun, and super effective. So what are you waiting for? Put on your workout clothes, grab a bottle of water, and let's jump right in and get started. Alright, let's kick things off with a classic jumping jacks. This is the perfect exercise to get your heart rate up and warm up those muscles. Remember those from gym class back in the day? Well, they're back and ready to help you torch some calories. Start by standing tall, feet together, and arms by your sides. Now, as you jump, step your feet out wider than hip-width apart and raise your arms overhead, clapping your hands together. Then, jump back to the starting position. Easy peasy, right? Let's aim for 20 repetitions, but hey, if you're feeling good, go for 25, go for 30. Jumping jacks are amazing for getting your blood flowing and improving your cardiovascular health. Now keep that energy up as we move on to the next exercise. Get ready to feel the burn with high knees. This exercise is going to target your lower body and core, giving you that toned and sculpted look you've been dreaming of. Stand with your feet hip-width apart and core engaged. Now, start running in place, bringing your knees up towards your chest with each step. Try to get your thighs at least parallel to the ground or even higher if you can. The key here is to maintain a strong and stable core throughout the exercise. Let's aim for 30 seconds of high knees, keeping that intensity high and that core tight. High knees are fantastic for burning calories, improving your coordination, and strengthening your lower body. Alright, take a quick breather, catch your breath, and get ready for the next challenge. Time to work those legs and glutes with some classic squats. This compound exercise is a must-have in any workout routine, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned fitness enthusiast. Stand with your feet slightly wider than shoulder width apart, toes pointing slightly outwards. Keep your chest up, back straight, and core engaged. Now imagine you're sitting back into a chair, lowering your hips down towards the ground. Make sure your knees track over your toes and don't collapse inwards. Go as low as you can while maintaining good form, aiming for a 90-degree angle at your knees. Push through your heels to return to the starting position, squeezing your glutes at the top. Let's do 15 repetitions, focusing on that mind-muscle connection and really feeling those glutes work. Get ready to challenge your balance and sculpt those legs with lunges. This exercise is a fantastic way to work each leg individually, improving your stability and coordination. Start by standing tall with your feet hip-width apart. Now take a big step forward with your right foot, lowering your body down until both knees are bent at a 90-degree angle. Make sure your front knee is directly above your ankle, not extending past your toes. Keep your back straight, core engaged, and chest lifted throughout the exercise. Push off your front foot to return to the starting position, and then repeat on the other side. Let's aim for 12 repetitions on each leg, focusing on controlled movements and maintaining proper form. Lunges are amazing for strengthening your legs, improving your balance, and boosting your metabolism. Time to work that upper body strength with push-ups. Push-ups are one of the most effective exercises you can do to build strength and endurance. They require no equipment and can be done anywhere, making them a versatile addition to any workout routine. This classic exercise may seem challenging at first, but it's an incredibly effective way to build strength and muscle in your chest, shoulders, and triceps. By engaging multiple muscle groups, push-ups help you develop a balanced and powerful upper body. Start in a high plank position with your hands shoulder-width apart, wrists directly beneath your shoulders, and body forming a straight line from head to heels. This position not only sets the foundation for a proper push-up, but also engages your core muscles, providing a full-body workout. Now lower your body down towards the ground by bending your elbows. Focus on maintaining a controlled descent to maximize muscle engagement and prevent injury. Make sure your elbows are tucked in close to your body, forming a 45-degree angle. This positioning not only protects your shoulders but also ensures that your triceps are fully engaged. Go as low as you can while maintaining good form, aiming to touch your chest to the ground. This full range of motion is crucial for building strength and flexibility in your upper body. Push back up to the starting position, engaging your chest and triceps. Remember to exhale as you push up, which helps to stabilize your core and maintain proper form. Let's aim for 8 to 10 repetitions, but feel free to modify the exercise by doing them on your knees if needed. Knee push-ups are a great way to build strength gradually and ensure you maintain proper form as you progress. Push-ups are a fantastic way to build upper body strength, improve your posture, and increase bone density. Regularly incorporating push-ups into your routine can lead to significant improvements in your overall fitness and health. So, keep pushing yourself and watch your strength soar. Get ready to feel the burn with plank. This isometric exercise may look simple, but it's incredibly effective for strengthening your core, improving your posture, and sculpting your midsection. Start in a push-up position, with your forearms resting on the ground, elbows aligned below your shoulders, and body forming a straight line from head to heels. Engage your core, tuck your pelvis in, and squeeze your glutes to maintain a neutral spine. Hold this position for as long as you can while maintaining good form, aiming for 30 seconds. Remember to breathe deeply throughout the exercise and avoid any sagging or arching in your back. Plank is a fantastic exercise for strengthening your core, improving your stability, and reducing the risk of back pain. Keep holding, you're doing great. Remember, every second counts. Time to get that heart rate pumping again with mountain climbers. This dynamic exercise combines cardio and core work, making it a super effective fat burner. Start in a high plank position with your hands shoulder-width apart, wrists directly beneath your shoulders, and body forming a straight line from head to heels. Now bring one knee up towards your chest, keeping your core engaged and back flat. Quickly alternate legs, as if you're running in a plank position. Try to maintain a steady pace while keeping your core tight and your hips level. Let's aim for 30 seconds of mountain climbers, keeping that intensity high and that core engaged. Mountain climbers are a fantastic exercise for burning calories, improving your cardiovascular health, and strengthening your core. You're doing amazing. Keep pushing. You're almost there. Get ready to work those abs with bicycle crunches. This classic exercise targets your obliques and upper abs, helping you achieve that toned and defined midsection. Lie on your back with your knees bent, feet flat on the ground, and hands behind your head supporting your neck. Engage your core and lift your shoulder blades off the ground. Now bring your right elbow towards your left knee while simultaneously straightening your right leg. Then switch sides, bringing your left elbow towards your right knee while straightening your left leg. Continue alternating sides in a fluid pedaling motion. Let's aim for 15 repetitions on each side, focusing on controlled movements and really feeling those abs work. Bicycle crunches are a fantastic exercise for strengthening your core, improving your stability, and sculpting your abs. Get ready for the ultimate full-body challenge with burpees. This exercise is not just any workout, it's a powerhouse that targets multiple muscle groups and gets your heart rate soaring. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned athlete, burpees can be tailored to fit your fitness level and goals. This exercise combines strength, cardio, and coordination, making it a super effective fat burner and calorie torture. By incorporating burpees into your routine, you can enhance your endurance, agility, and overall fitness. It's a one-stop shop for a full-body workout. Start by standing tall with your feet shoulder-width apart. This initial stance is crucial as it sets the foundation for the entire movement. Make sure your posture is upright and your core is engaged to maintain balance and stability. Now squat down and place your hands on the ground in front of you, shoulder-width apart. This movement engages your lower body and prepares you for the next step. Ensure your hands are firmly planted to support your body weight. Kick your feet back into a high plank position, keeping your core engaged and body forming a straight line from head to heels. This position is essential for working your core, shoulders, and arms. Maintain a tight core to protect your lower back. Do a push-up, lowering your chest towards the ground. This part of the burpee targets your chest, triceps, and shoulders. If a full push-up is too challenging, you can modify it by dropping to your knees. Jump your feet back up towards your hands, landing softly in a squat position. This explosive movement engages your lower body muscles, including your quads, hamstrings, and glutes. Focus on landing softly to reduce impact on your joints. Explosively jump up into the air, reaching your arms overhead. That's one rep. This final jump is where you get that cardio boost, making your heart pump faster and increasing your calorie burn. Remember to land softly and prepare for the next rep. Let's aim for 10 repetitions, but feel free to modify the exercise by stepping your feet back instead of jumping or omitting the push-up if needed. Modifications are great for beginners or those with joint issues. The key is to keep moving and maintain good form. Burpees are a fantastic exercise for burning calories, improving your cardiovascular health, and building full body strength. Incorporate them into your workout routine to see significant improvements in your fitness levels. Remember, consistency is key, and with each burpee, you're one step closer to your fitness goals. Time to finish strong with a classic cardio blast, jump rope. This is one of the most effective and enjoyable ways to get your heart pumping and your body moving. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or just starting your fitness journey, jump rope is a versatile exercise that can be tailored to any fitness level. This fun and effective exercise is a great way to burn calories, improve your coordination, and boost your mood. Not only does it help in shedding those extra pounds, but it also enhances your agility and balance. Plus, the rhythmic motion of jumping rope can be incredibly meditative, helping to reduce stress and anxiety. Grab your jump rope, or pretend you have one, and find a comfortable space with enough clearance. Make sure the area is free of obstacles to avoid any accidents. If you don't have a jump rope, don't worry. You can still mimic the movements and get a great workout. Start by standing tall with your feet together, elbows close to your body, and wrists slightly above your hips. This posture helps in maintaining balance and ensures that the rope swings smoothly. Keep your core engaged and your back straight to avoid any strain. Swing the rope over your head and jump over it as it passes your feet. Focus on making small, controlled jumps rather than big, high ones. This will help you maintain a steady rhythm and reduce the impact on your joints. Land softly on the balls of your feet and keep your knees slightly bent. This technique helps in absorbing the shock and prevents injuries. Remember, the key is to stay light on your feet and keep the movements fluid. Try to maintain a steady rhythm and avoid jumping too high. Consistency is more important than speed. As you get more comfortable, you can gradually increase your pace. Listen to your body and find a rhythm that feels right for you. Let's aim for 2 minutes of jump rope, but feel free to take breaks as needed. If you're new to jump rope, start with shorter intervals and gradually build up your endurance. It's perfectly okay to pause and catch your breath. The goal is to keep moving and have fun. Jump rope is a fantastic exercise for burning calories, improving your cardiovascular health, and enhancing your coordination. It's a full-body workout that engages multiple muscle groups, including your legs, core, and arms. Plus, it's portable and can be done almost anywhere. You did it! Amazing job completing this full-body workout. Remember, consistency is key to seeing results. Keep incorporating jump rope into your routine, and you'll continue to reap the benefits. Celebrate your progress and keep pushing yourself to new heights. Great work. And there you have it. These 10 easy home workouts are perfect for beginners who want to burn fat and improve their overall fitness. Give yourself a huge pat on the back for showing up today and taking charge of your health. Remember, consistency is key, so make sure to stay committed and have fun with your workouts. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more fitness tips and workout routines. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.